Oh, it's rainwater.
Blasting and chipping away at the rock. They work the wall with their solid foundation.
Watch now, I'm gonna drop my iPod. There's the new bridge.
It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the future is limitless. That we have in our grasp the power to achieve anything if we can but summon the will. Thank you for coming and seeing one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century.
Nice camera.
Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street at the flagpole.
Clayton, jump.